Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam dashboard, you're ready to proceed. Now, let's say you're done using Steam for the day and want to sign out of your account. This is particularly useful if you're on a shared computer or simply want to ensure your account remains secure when you're not actively using it. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Steam window. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Sign Out of Account and click on it. This action tells Steam that you want to end your current session and return to the login screen. After clicking Sign Out of Account, a confirmation window will appear. This is Steam's way of making sure you really want to log out and didn't click the option by accident. Simply click Confirm to proceed with signing out. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of your Steam account. The application will now return you to the login screen, ensuring your account is secure and no one else can access your library, purchases, or personal information while you're away. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.